Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the updated way to review your information on Instagram when you're using the app on your PC. Whether you want to check what's changed on your account or simply stay informed about your activity, this guide will have you covered, step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to the Microsoft Store and grab the latest version to make sure you're up to date with all the new features. Once you've opened Instagram, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice the new menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked up. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is your gateway to several important features and activity options, making it easier than ever to manage your account from a computer. Inside the menu, you'll see a range of choices. Look for the option labeled Your Activity and click on it. This section is designed to help you track your time, interactions, and account changes, all gathered in one place. Now, let's dive deeper. In the Your Activity section, find and select Account History. This is the area where Instagram displays a timeline of changes made to your account. Whether you've updated your email address, changed your password, adjusted your username, or modified other details, every significant change appears here, organized by date. It's a straightforward way to review your digital footprint and ensure everything on your account looks the way you want. If at any point you want to see a specific update or double-check a change, simply scroll through your account history. Each item is listed with a timestamp, making it easy to trace what happened and when. Managing your Instagram account from a PC has never been simpler with these latest updates. Take a few minutes to review your information regularly and keep your account secure and up to date. Thanks for joining today, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this.